Okay, so ito mga Repapits, pang-apat na upload ng X-Battalion mga Repapits, no? Okay, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. All Night, King Badger, M. Seren, Iskasta, Klee, Brando, and Flo G. Okay, so mga Repapits, talagang hindi maawat, no? Pang-apat na upload ngayong araw mga Repapits. Okay, so wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. I-play na agad natin to mga Repapits. Let's go!
Baby, you can call
Pang-apat na upload tapos puro MB pa, no? Grabe. Let's go.
Baby, you can call me anytime you're horny. Tell me when to pull up, then I'll be by your door. Or maybe you can come around mine and let me come inside. And after that, I'ma buy that Gucci and Dior. We'll be up.
Grabe naman, King Badger. Ba't ganyan? Duduguin ang ilong ko sa'yo, Repapits. English eh. Englishin. Hindi ko mahihima yung lyrics dito. Mahina ako sa English. Let's go.
And let me come inside. And after that, I'ma buy that Gucci and Dior. We'll be up all night. I'ma hit that booty up so right. Oh, hit me up one time to make me murder that pussy.
So bigyan na natin ng react ng comment. Yung music, yung sounds talagang solid, suabe. Classic na X-Battalion yung naririnig natin mga Repapits. Diba? So hindi ko mahima yung lyrics, doon lang ako sa MV. Yung MV napaka party, 'di ba? So yung gantong genre, gantong mga tugtugin ng X-Battalion sila nakilala sa ganito, no. So yun, let's go.
Oh, hit me up one time to make me murder that pussy tonight. I've been riding with the homies like now, baby, where you at? Send me your location now, tell me hurry up.
Pati ba naman ikaw, MC Ren? MC Ren, nag-i-English ka rin. Yari tayo nito. Let's go. Show me your location. Oh. Malaman ko lang kung nasan ka, pupuntahan kita nasan ka man. Parang ganun ha. Di ba ganun yung nakikita ko?
Show me your location now, tell me hurry up. Going in 100 to me, baby, where you at? Tell a friend we were coming, hurry up.
Solid, kala mo hindi mga Pilipino mag-English, no? Talagang, di ba? May slangers din, slang.
We can pick you up early. You and your besties. Money ain't a thing, so better tell me what you like. Pretty sure we'll be up.
Ate, oh. Yes, Kasta. Pati ba naman, lahat sila ata rito puro English yung banatan eh, no? Mga Repapits. Wala ata magkatagalog dito this time, no? Let's go. Para ako nanonood, nakikinig ng mga dating tugtugan ng X-Battalion. 'Di ba gantong-ganto 'yon, no? Yung mga ano nila, yung mga music ng X-Battalion, 'di ba? X-Battalion, kaya nga X-Battalion music eh, no? So dito sila nakilala sa ganitong klase ng tugtugan, 'di ba? Yung X-Battalion. Kaya hindi na bago, matik. Uy. Hey, ate oh, si ate oh. Let's go. Rando. Wala talagang English sila lahat mga Repapits. So wala na, yun na, English na nga lahat. Ah! Ginoo. Let's go. Tinakpan na lang, tinakpan. Balik pa natin. Grabe. Grabe yun. Uy. Grabe yung mga bebot nyo rito, mga repa. Panalo. Sa MB na lang ako nakapokus, hindi na sa lyrics kasi English nga eh. Mapang-akit si mga ate. Uy! Ay, ganun. Mapang-akit kayo ate ah. Huh? Uy!
Lifestyle bad then bougie.
Pati
Feels
si
like a
Flow G
movie.
talaga.
Everything I want comes to me. There's a lot of city girls wanna come and see me, but I'm busy just waiting for you.
Ganda ng vibes ng beat, Repa Pits. Yung music talagang papabounce ko talaga. Di ba? Di ba? Solid.
Comes to me. There's a lot of city girls wanna come and see me, but I'm busy just waiting for you to call me on my iPhone 13 mini, baby. Promise I'll be there.
Solid yung flow talaga pag Flow G.
See me, but I'm busy just waiting for you to call me on my iPhone 13 mini, baby.
iPhone.
Promise I'll be there in 30 minutes. So be ready with your heart-shaped titties, booty, juicy.
Sorry.
30 minutes. So be ready with your heart-shaped titties, booty, juicy, juicy. Yeah, I mean it, let me feel it. Don't worry, I got anything you need, babe. You can get anything you want, baby. Tell me. Prada, Gucci, and Chanel, maybe LV.
So si Kastaklik, kumukoros lang na wala siyang verse. Wala siyang verse. So tingnan natin kung meron pa siyang last verse dito. Kasi yung chorus, first, yung una, dalawa, no? So chorus nga. Tama, chorus lang.
Anything you want, baby.
Ayan, no?
Tell me. Prada, Gucci, and Chanel, maybe LV. Just to get that booty right. Call my number when you're ready.
Nakpa ng heart emoji. Napapalibutan si Skasa ng mga bebe. Hey. Pang disco vibe, di ba? Pang party, bar, mga ganong klase ng vibe yung tugtugan ng ex-battalion ngayon, no? Badger, solid mga repa. Solid yung mata ni Dogs. Alright, yan. So All Night King Badger, MC Renz, Kastakli, Brando, and Flow G like natin. Solid na naman mga repa Pits. Nagkaroon naman tayo ng sound trip na mga gantong klase. Hindi na bago sa X-Battalion kasi matik naman na talagang gantong-ganto yung music ng X-Battalion. Pag sinabing XB, automatic yan. Gantong mga pa-disco. Di ba? Yung mga pang party na music, hindi na bago sa X-Battalion. Napaka-solid. Di ba? Alright yan, so kung gusto mo rin din tong panoorin ng dire-diretso, nasa description yung pinaka-link niyan, i-click mo yan para direktang makapunta ka sa video na to, mapanood mo nang walang cut. This time kasi reaction video, kaya bahagyang kinat-cut natin. Okay, so kung gusto mo rin ng gantong klaseng content, syempre wag mong kakalimutang i-like yung video na to, i-subscribe yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang, click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas akong gantong klaseng reaction video. Hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. Is Dogs GTV. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.